crab. Do you like crab, guys? Crab live in the sea. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna learn vowel sound ah. A sound ah. Ab, ab. We will learn up word family. Ab, cub. So cub is like here. It's a taxi. Can you guys see a taxi there? So let's go to the next one. Oh, I mean second. Crab. Do you like crab, guys? Crab live in the sea. I like crab. But I like crab only when they are not alive. So be careful with crab. The crab might bite you. So let's go to the third one. Lab. We can do the experiment in the lab. Like science. Like scientists do something in the lab. So you guys see lab here. And you guys, let's go to the fourth one. Gob. When you see gob is like this. When someone is there and someone is here. So gob. So that's like gob. Here, gob. This is the picture. Ab. Gr. But you put there gr. Like crab. Cr. And this is gr. Gr. Ab. Grab. So like this. When someone is there and someone have a toy and the girl don't have a toy, just want to took it, so grab it and took it, and the other girl and took it back. Here the picture. So goodbye guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell button. See you next time guys. The next one we will learn ACE. ACE sound S. Here, this is how we draw ACE. Here, let me just move here. A. So we put C here. C. You guys can see, but we didn't draw big like this, but we draw the small like this. And we put there the E. So when C and E sound S, like letter S. So S. The next one we will learn that, okay? But the next one my sister will do that. So goodbye guys. Goodbye again. Okay. Don't forget to click the bell button and subscribe our channel. Goodbye guys. Giselle.